Steve, if you had to summarise what this machine is, you know, what capacity is and what it does, what would you say?
Basically, this product for us is accelerated and it's out in the workplace. This is a very compact but more than capable machine. So you've got a full Y-axis, you've got mill drill, obviously, and the through-bore of the machine is a very large feature.
You say compact, it is very compact. We can see here the footprint. Do you know exactly what that footprint is?
It roughly sits on 1.5 meters squared for the footprint.
Is this pretty unique? Is there many other Y-axis machines, single spindle Y-axis machines or twin spindle Y-axis machines of this size?
Not out in the marketplace currently, no. Nakamura do a lot of work on their on some USPs for themselves, and they've based this model on a very compact but more than capable machine.
We talk about capability. I know you've mentioned to me as well about the capacity of the machine, because for a small footprint you've also got quite a large spindle bore.
Yeah, so on this machine is 65 mm standard. We can upgrade it to a high tensile jaw tube, so put in their 71 mm bore.
Okay, and what about the turret itself when it comes to the machining, the mill drill function, and also the capacity of the Y-axis?
So the Y-axis on this model is a plus or minus 41 mm. Taking into consideration its turning length and turning diameter, that's quite a substantial feature of the machine. So on the driven turret itself, is obviously it's a 15 station turret. Every station is driven.
15 station?
15 station driven turret, yeah. So we have the option that both configurations we have in stock. So it's a 12 station half index or a full 15 station turret.
And what about the speed of the milling, or what you can do with the milling?
Right, okay, so on the turret itself, everybody denotes about the spindle power, what kilowatts and everything else. But
is that relevant, kilowatts? I mean, you're going to come on to this, I'm sure, but people talk about 5 kilowatts, 7.5 kilowatts. What does that actually mean?
Generally, when the customer's looking at a machine, if they look at the product and laid out spec on spec, do a comparison between one and the other, that is not a real true reflection of the machine. A reflection of this machine for us is looking at the power and the torque curve. Where does that power kick in? How long does it last? When does it, basically where you exactly need that power to kick in.
And when you look at that, that would apply to different types of applications, maybe more harder exotic materials where you'd get the benefit of a higher torque or a higher torque capability. Is this machine capable of tackling the most difficult of applications?
Yeah, definitely. We've got obviously a number of these set up in the UK, but also out throughout in Europe. So Nakamura never really design and build a machine to obviously minimise the market. They maximise the market. Yeah.
If you were to summarise this as to who would be buying these machines, what would you say?
The number of installs we've got with this product, we can tackle any of the market. We've got this machine in small subcontractors, and we've got it in obviously the first tier large OEM customers.
And this machine here is in stock and it's currently on offer, so excite our viewers, Steve. What are you selling this machine for at the moment?
So within the region, depending upon the package of the customer, we're talking around £75,000, and delivery you're probably talking from order placement within 24 hours.
Really, that quickly? So we're talking about a premium precision, high speed, small footprint turning centre with that Y-axis for that money?
Yes, we PDI them, we check them, each machine has a 24-hour run on them, they're reconfigured, packed, and they're ready to go out the door.